2024 Best Motorcycle for Beginners Suzuki DR Z400. In the realm of motorcycles tailored for beginners, the 2024 Suzuki DR Z400 emerges as a dual-sport powerhouse, offering novice riders an exhilarating fusion of on-road versatility and off-road capability. Recognized as one of the best motorcycles for beginners, the DR Z400 seamlessly combines Suzuki's renowned off-road heritage with a design that invites riders to explore diverse terrains. In 2024, the DR Z400 continues to captivate riders globally, serving as a symbol of accessible performance, confidence building, and the joy of mastering the art of dual-sport motorcycling. 1. Dual-sport design with off-road prowess. The Suzuki DR Z400 features a dual-sport design that embodies the spirit of adventure, making it a visually dynamic and off-road ready option for beginner riders. With its rugged build, motocross-inspired styling, and high ground clearance, the DR Z400 exudes a sense of off-road prowess. Suzuki's commitment to a design that reflects the dual nature of the motorcycle ensures that the DR Z400 not only delivers a visually striking riding experience but also stands as a symbol of the brand's dedication to versatile and thrilling motorcycling. 2. Potent single-cylinder engine for on- and off-road excitement. At the heart of the DR Z400 lies a potent 398 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, delivering a dynamic blend of accessible power and off-road capability. Suzuki's engine design focuses on providing a broad power band, making it an ideal choice for novice riders navigating both paved roads and challenging trails. The DR Z400's engine offers sufficient power for daily commuting, weekend off-road adventures, and the excitement of conquering diverse terrains, providing a versatile platform for riders to explore the world of dual-sport motorcycling. 3. Robust off-road suspension and chassis. Designed for robust off-road performance, the Suzuki DR Z400 features a suspension and chassis that can handle a variety of terrains. The bike's long travel suspension, durable frame, and lightweight build make it easy for beginners to confidently navigate through challenging trails, master off-road techniques, and experience the thrill of conquering diverse landscapes. The DR Z400's off-road capabilities enhance its appeal, allowing riders to comfortably develop their skills and savor the excitement of dual-sport riding. 4. Comfortable seating and dual-purpose ergonomics. Crafted for comfortable riding on and off the road, the DR Z400 features dual-purpose ergonomics. The motorcycle offers a comfortable seat, mid-mounted foot controls, and a balanced riding position, ensuring riders can enjoy extended journeys without discomfort. Suzuki's commitment to rider comfort makes the DR Z400 not only an adventurous option but also a practical and enjoyable companion for daily rides, weekend escapes, and exploring diverse terrains with dual-sport flair. 5. Integration of off-road features. The 2024 DR Z400 seamlessly integrates off-road features to enhance the overall riding experience. These include knobby tires for superior traction, off-road tuned suspension, and Suzuki's engineering excellence, adding essential functionality to the dual-sport package. Suzuki ensures that the DR Z400 remains a technologically advanced choice, appealing to riders who appreciate the fusion of off-road capability with essential modern features. Conclusion. The 2024 Suzuki DR Z400 stands as a global icon of entry-level dual-sport brilliance, securing its position as one of the best motorcycles for beginners. Its dual-sport design, potent single-cylinder engine, robust off-road capabilities, comfortable ergonomics, and integration of off-road features make it an unrivaled choice for novice riders venturing into the world of motorcycling with a passion for on- and off-road exploration. Whether mastering the basics, navigating city streets with versatility, or tackling challenging trails, the DR Z400 encapsulates the spirit of Suzuki's dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of accessible and thrilling dual-sport motorcycling. As a symbol of accessible performance, confidence building, and the joy of mastering the art of dual-sport riding, the 2024 Suzuki DR Z400 rightfully claims its place as a global legend in the realm of motorcycles for beginners.